Good day everyone, I'm Jacqueline Martinez, the President of the Navotas East Consumer Cooperative. Here in Barangay Navotas East, many of us work hard every day to support our families. However, we often face challenges in finding affordable goods and community-based livelihood support. That's why our cooperative was created to make life a little easier for everyone in our barangay. The Navotas East Consumer Cooperative, established in 2025, is a community-based organization that helps residents access essential goods at fair prices, while promoting savings and mutual growth. Our mission is to empower every Navoteño family by providing affordable products and responsible financial services. Our mission is to build a united and progressive community where every member contributes to shared success. For our objectives are to make daily necessities accessible at lower cost, create livelihood opportunities, and teach our member the value of cooperation and savings. As a consumer cooperative, we will offer commodities such as rice, canned goods, and household items at affordable price. For our target members, our family, small business owner, and resident of Barangay Navotas East who wish to save while supporting the local economy. Through this cooperative, we don't just buy, we build, we save, and we grow together as one community. So to all my fellow residents of Navotas East, I invite you to join and support the Navotas East Consumer Cooperative. Together, let's strengthen our community and work toward a brighter, more sustainable future. Once again, I am Jacqueline Martinez, President of the Navotas East Consumer Cooperative, because in cooperation, success is shared by everyone.